Hi, I'm Nick Brown with the University of Illinois Extension. I'm going to make today a tomato corn skillet.
Gently rub the produce under cold running water before preparing ingredients. For this recipe, you will need 1 green pepper, chopped, half cup of onion, chopped, 2 tablespoons vegetable oil, 4 fresh tomatoes, peeled and diced, or 2 cups diced canned tomatoes. Make sure they're drained. 2 cups of fresh corn, cooked and removed from the cob, or canned corn that's drained. A half teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and black pepper to taste. Cook green pepper and onion in oil and skillet over medium heat until vegetables are soft. Next, add the remaining ingredients. Cook until fresh tomatoes are tender, about 10 to 15 minutes, or until heated through for canned tomatoes.
Here is the end result of your tomato corn skillet. Perfect way to use your garden vegetables.
Eat, Move, Save.